Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a stunning Peruvian condiment called Ají Verde. This rich, creamy green sauce is amazingly tasty, versatile, and very easy to make. So let's get cooking. In the jar of a blender, we'll add mayonnaise, and to make it from scratch, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Then sour cream, I'm using light, followed by cilantro, and lots of it, a whole jalapeno pepper, seeded and ribs removed, but if you want your sauce hot, then leave them on. 2 large cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, a tablespoon of ají amarillo paste, which the recipe is coming this Saturday under Tips and Tricks, some freshly squeezed lime juice, and the 2 usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll put the lid on and process until the mixture gets perfectly smooth and creamy. I'm telling you, at first, nothing will be moving, but with the help of a spatula and going a few times with it by dislodging the crowded bottom of the jar, slowly the ingredients will start moving, and eventually things will blend until we get this unctuous, gorgeous sauce. Yum! We'll scoop up the sauce into a container, cover, and transfer to the fridge for at least 2 hours. It makes 1 1/4 cups. And my friends, this is our Ají Verde sauce. With a nice balance of herbs, citrus, and a little bit of heat, this delicious condiment is both versatile and tasty. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!